Hey y'all, Don Bree Barbecue back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking 0 to 400 chicken wings. These things are easy to throw together. They're always super delicious. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's get into making 0 to 400 chicken wings. We're not going to be doing these the traditional method. We're not going to just be smoking them. We're not just going to be cooking them at 350 degrees. Today we're going to be doing the 0 to 400 method. This method works really great on chicken wings. Whenever I first heard about it, I didn't believe that it would work, but we're going to get into it and I'm going to just show you how good it really is. Now I've already let these chicken wings air dry in the fridge. I left them in there for about 12 hours. That's not a necessary process. You don't have to do it. I just like to let them air dry in the fridge for at least a little bit, whether it's 2 to 4 hours. Just let that skin kind of dry up. It helps get a crispy skin on these chicken wings. And we're gonna go ahead and get into seasoning these up. First seasoning I'm gonna hit them with is this garlic jalapeno rub from Heath Riles. Just go ahead and do a dust on them with that. And I'm gonna come back with this Ash Kicking Barbecue, the honey chipotle. This rub gives them a really nice color. Gives it a little bit of heat. It's got a little sweet flavor in the rub, but it's absolutely banging on chicken. Let's go ahead and get them seasoned up. Flip all these over and we'll just do the other side. Again, with the garlic jalapeno rub as a base. And then we'll come back with the honey chipotle over top. Toss them around here to kind of make sure we get it all coated good. So those wings are all seasoned up. And I have them on a wire rack. I like to cook on these wire racks just because it makes it easier in case you have to move stuff around. If it's not cooking evenly on the grill, you can grab this wire rack and just spin it around pretty easily without having to move everything that you got cooking out there. So we're gonna go ahead and let them kind of sweat out here for just a little bit and then we'll get them on the smoker. So like I said, the grill is completely off. We've got our chicken over here. I seasoned it up and I let it sweat out for about 15-20 minutes. You don't have to let it sweat that long. I just like it to sweat a little bit because it pulls out some of that moisture and it helps that rub stick a little bit better. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up a grill that's turned off and throw the chicken in there. Got the chicken in, so now we're just gonna turn on the grill. We'll set it for 400 degrees. We're just gonna let it rock and roll here. At about 30 minutes, you're gonna need to come out and check these things, give them a flip, and then we'll probably let them go another 15 to 30 minutes. But we're just gonna let them rock and roll. All right, so those wings have been on there for about 30 minutes. Like I said, we put these on here 0 to 400. That grill's running at 400 degrees right now. What I wanna do right now is I just wanna take and spin this rack around just to make sure that I get an even cook on them. Like I said, that's why these racks are super important for me because it just makes it easy to maneuver stuff around in there. We're just gonna go ahead and give these a flip. You can already see we're getting some real nice color on that chicken. I'm sorry about the wind if y'all can hear that today. It's kind of got windy on me, but we're gonna push through and get it done. So there it is, we've got them flipped. We're gonna let them go for about another 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes. We'll check on them. All right, so that chicken has been on there. We let it go about another 15 minutes and it's looking amazing. I temped it. We're temping about 190, 200 on these wings. That's exactly where I want to see them temping at. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull these babies off and let them chill out. So here we are. We've got those wings off the smoker. We let them kind of cool down for just a little bit. Like I said, these wings were 0 to 400 degrees. This thing wound up going about 45 minutes. These things, I've seen them go anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. After that first 30 minutes, you're definitely gonna want to flip these just so you get an even cook on them, but then kind of check on them a little bit. Don't just set your timer for another 30 minutes and let them rock and roll. Go ahead and set it for about 15 minutes. Check a temp on them, see where they're temping at, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, these things temped at about 200 degrees, which is where I like to see these wings coming in at. They've got a real nice color on that skin. That skin's gonna be super crispy. I mean, I'm kind of a flat guy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can't take a bite of this and see what it tastes like. We got the crispy skin. Those things are tender. They're pulling off the bone. You could sauce these things up if you want to. I like a dry rub on mine. I don't really like a sauced wing. These things are absolutely delicious. If you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page, Dying Breed Barbecue. I also got a TikTok and a Facebook page, Dying Breed Barbecue. And we got a horn honking in the background. Everybody loves them. If you like what you see here, follow me on those other channels. Thanks for watching.